the genius, the billionaire, the man in the suit. Saved the world countless times, that's the absolute truth. From the skies to the stars, I flew with the might. When even heroes fall in the darkest night.
I'm an Iron Man, the war, and I feel my power bloom. From the ashes of the hero, I am reborn and soon. Every villainous, the energy consumes. I stand here before you, I am Dr. Doom. I was a genius, the billionaire, the man in the suit. Saved the world countless times, that's the absolute truth. From the skies to the stars, I flew with the might. But even heroes fall in the darkest night. Planetary ruler with intellect supreme. Magic and technology, a dark twisted dream. No longer bound by the hero's creed. Now I forge my path where darkness leads. I'm an Iron Man, the war, and I feel my power bloom. From the ashes of the hero, I am reborn and soon. Every villainous, the energy consumes. I stand here before you, I am Dr. Doom. Hero's light fades, but power remains. From Tony Stark's legacy, Doom's empire reigns.
No longer a savior, now I command. The world will tremble under Doom's hand.
I'm an Iron Man, the war, and I feel my power bloom. From the ashes of the hero, I am reborn and soon. Every villainous, the energy consumes. I stand here before you, I am Dr. Doom. I'm a hero roller, with atoms can die. Dr. Doom rises, hear the world's cry. From hero to villain, the saga resumes. Now to the new ruler, I am Dr. Doom. Thank you, RDJ, for Iron Man, the hero. Now as Dr. Doom, you're still a numero uno. From saving the world to ruling the gloom, you are great in every costume.